Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a wonderful and amazing day just like me. And today I am going to be showing you how to make your own custom chat in Roblox. So, it may seem a little bit complicated, but it's not that complicated actually. So, I'm just gonna show you how to make something really simple. It's not gonna be really advanced or anything like that. So yeah. So first of all, let's go ahead and make the chat box. So we'll just go ahead and do that, by inserting a text box into, oh, I forgot to add in a screen GUI, my bad. Put this text box inside the screen GUI. So yeah, so here's where your text box is right now. I, am just gonna move in the middle temporarily. I'm gonna put the background color, as a bit of a gray, like as a grayish type color. And then for the border color, we're going to do it solid black. For the border size, I'm going to put it to 5. I'm also going to go and scale this down, just like that. So yeah, now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just move this right there. I'm actually gonna scale it out a little bit more. So yeah, now also inside of the properties, we're gonna in the placeholder text, we're gonna click press slash to start typing. And don't forget, you can also just always click on that. So yeah, that's going to be the placeholder text, and for the actual text color, we're going to put that to white. We can also make the background transparency on this a little, not a whole lot, but a little, like this, like not like fully, I forgot the word, it starts with an O. Like, it's where you can, like, see through the background. Like, I know that this is, like, transparent right now. Yeah, you get it. So, yeah. Now what we're going to do is inside of this text box, we're going to insert a local script. And then we're going to say game, get service, then user input service. This is what we use for keybinds and all that. Then we're going to do dot. Input began, connect, function. Inside this function, we're going to type in input. And outside those parentheses, just like that. So, now we're going to say if input dot, if input dot user input type equals enum dot user input type, and then dot. Now if you want to do Xbox, what you do is you click gamepad 1, gamepad 1, but if you want to do it for keyboard, just click keyboard. If you want like mouse buttons, just go and select one of these. Mouse button 1 is a left click, mouse button 2 is right click, and then the mouse button 3 is your middle mouse button. And then of course mouse wheel is the mouse wheel, not like the mouse wheel button, but like when you scroll up and down like how I'm doing right now. And then touch is of course for mobile and iPad and other touchscreen devices. So yeah, but we're gonna do keyboard. Now if you want to do this on Xbox or PS4 or PlayStation, because I have heard that Roblox is coming out on PlayStation in around February 2021, according to the official PS4 group on Roblox. I'm gonna be excited to see that. But yeah, we're just gonna do keyboard, and then we're gonna say then, and then now we're gonna say if input dot key code equals, and then enum dot keycode dot, and then of course we want a slash, so we're just going to type in slash. Then now we're going to say script dot parent, the parent colon capture focus. So this is a void, meaning like we will not have to put anything in these parentheses. So yeah, basically when you do capture focus, right when you click slash, then whatever they start hitting on their keyboard is going to start typing right in there. So yeah, now what we're going to do is outside of this if input.keycode statement, now we're going to do it for when they want to like actually chat. So now we're going to say if input dot key code equals enum dot key code, and then dot, now we're gonna do keypad enter. So I would do like the normal enter like on your keyboard, but for some reason Roblox does not allow that. Hopefully they will change that. Whenever I try, it's not like there's no option for it. So I'm doing the enter on the keypad, which is like all the numbers just like in a square form, like you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, and then we're just gonna say then, and then now what we're gonna do is we're gonna say script dot parent colon, I think there's a thing to where you can lose the focus, yeah, release focus, and then I don't submitted. Actually, yeah, we have to select that to true. So yeah, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do game dot replicated storage dot chatted colon fire server, then parentheses, and then inside these parentheses we're going to say script dot parent dot text. So yeah, now in replicate storage we're going to insert a remote event, and this remote event is going to be called chatted. So yeah, boom, we are now done with this. Now we're just going to go ahead and go into server script service, and we're going to insert a script, and then inside of this script, actually name the script chat handler. Chat handler. And then inside of the script, we're gonna click the plus, and then because I already have a GUI for this, I'm just gonna paste it into the script. This is basically like what's gonna appear on their head when they chat. Let me just go and fix something real quick. No, I just had to do that. All right, yeah, we're good now. So yeah, if you do want this GUI, go ahead, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to insert a billboard GUI. You're going to want to set your size to this. You want to set your studs offset to this, and then of course max distance to 15, and then you're going to want to name it Chat UI. You can go and pause the video if you want. And then inside of that billboard GUI, insert an image label, and then on that image label, the only thing what you're gonna do is you're gonna change your background transparency to 1, so there's not gonna be a background. Scroll down, wait till you see size, and then you see 0, 200, 0, 125. Set the position to 0, 0, 0, 0. And then the image, this is the ID for the image. This is it's basically this chat bubble right here. So I will send you the what you're gonna like want to put in there in the description below. It's gonna be labeled as image ID. So yeah, and then inside that image label, you're gonna want to insert a text label. And then that text label, it's what you're gonna do is where is it? yeah, you're gonna want to set the position to this. You're gonna want to set the size to this, and then oh, and also you want your border size pixel set to 0. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, that you just made your UI. So yeah, now on the first line of code, we're gonna type in game dot players dot player added, and then colon connect function. Then inside these, put parentheses after the function. Then inside those parentheses, we're gonna type in PLR. Then outside those, just do enter. And then now what we're gonna do is excuse me. Now what we're going to do is we're going to type in PLR. We're going to type in local, and then chat UI equals script dot chat UI colon clone. Now we're going to type in chat UI dot parent equals PLR dot care. Actually, no, we can't do PLR dot character. What we're gonna do is we're gonna type in game dot workspace colon find first child, and then we're gonna type in PLR dot name, and outside that we're gonna do colon wait for. Oh, I forgot to capitalize that W. Wait for child, and then parentheses. Inside those parentheses, we're gonna type in head. Well, actually, put them in quotation marks. Yeah. So yep. That's it. Now what we're gonna do is outside of that event function right there, we're just gonna go to line 6, and then we're going to type in game dot replicated storage dot chatted colon dot on server event colon connect function parentheses. Inside these parentheses, we're going to type in PLR comma MSG. Then outside those parentheses, we'll do enter. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do a thing called filter text for broadcast. Now this basically puts the hashtags for your text. But the thing is, the reason why we have to do this is just so your Roblox game won't get banned, or else your Roblox game may get banned, because if someone types in that chat box a naughty word, then that's going to be on you for not filtering the text properly. So yeah, don't worry, it's very simple. All you gotta do is we're gonna type in local. No, we're not gonna type in local. We're just gonna do MSG and then equals game dot chat colon filter string for broadcast, and then inside of those parentheses we're gonna type in SMG and then comma PLR. So yeah, then outside of that we're just gonna do enter. And then now what we're going to do is we're going to make a variable for the chat UI that we added into the player when they join the game. So what we're going to do is we're going to say local chat UI equals PLR dot character dot dot chat UI. Yep. Now we're gonna say, no, not dot character dot chat UI. Player dot character dot head dot chat UI. My bad. Yep. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna say chat UI colon wait for child, and then parentheses. And inside those parentheses, we're going to add quotation marks. And then inside those quotation marks, we're going to type in image label. And outside of those parentheses and quotation marks, we're going to do the same thing, colon, wait for child, parentheses, quotation marks, but inside these quotation marks, we're just going to type in text label. And then we're going to, outside of those, we're going to do dot text equals MSG. So, yep. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do chat UI dot enabled equals true, and then we're going to wait 5 seconds. In order to do that, we're just going to type in wait, and then inside the parentheses we're going to type in 5. Then we're going to do the same thing, chat UI dot enabled equals, but instead of true, we're going to type in false. Alright, so yeah, that should now work. Where was that? Yeah, let me just go ahead and do dot head. You don't have to do colon wait for child there. Yeah. That's, first, it said that you can't use colon wait for child. Now it says that... I mean, that's fine. After this line, we're just going to do wait, and then we'll just have to put 1, just so wait 1 second, and then we'll call that line. So hopefully the chat UI should be able to be added by then. And as you can see, that there's no more error. So yeah, now inside of this chat box, we're going to type in hello, and then once you click, it was the keypad enter. You can see that there you go, there's your chat. It says hello right there. Then you can see that goes away. You can type in whatever. And then just do enter again. And then once you go into a real game, this should censor the text. But when you're in Roblox 2, it won't. Because, like, say I put in numbers right there. You can see that it's not censoring it because Roblox 2 is private. So no one is going to be able to see it unless you have Team Create on. Then it will censor it. So, yeah. What we're going to do now is just to actually test the filtering, we're going to go to the game settings, make sure that it is published. Once you publish it, now you can just go ahead and close this out. Then we're going to click File, we're going to click Close File, you can just click Save, and then, yep. Now go to it, click the 3 dots on it, then click Open Place Page, and in your browser it should open up your place page. And then just go and click on play. Just go and wait for it to open up. Alright, and then you can see that this is the real chat, but don't worry, after I'm done showing you this, you see how it just blocked out those random characters? When we do this, it should do the same thing. Oh, right, keypad enter. Forgot, my bad. Keypad enter. Oh no! It's okay. Easy fix. Let me just go and see the output. Oh, it's not there. It's fine. But yeah, I'm gonna go and show you how to disable that chat right there. I did forget to do that. We're gonna type in 1 line of code and replicate it first. Just type enter local script. Just put that in, and then we're gonna say game dot starter GUI colon set core GUI enabled. We're gonna do enum dot oh no, it was a core GUI type, and then dot chat, and then we're gonna do comma false. So well, like, it's gonna be false for enable. So yeah, now when you click on play in Roblox, so you can see that it will disable this chat that is over here. Yep, see how it's not there anymore. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please leave a like and subscribe if you did. Yeah, I need more video ideas. Let me know. And also, thank you for getting my channel to 50 subscribers. I couldn't have done it without you guys. So, yeah. I hope you guys have a great day or great night. I will see you tomorrow.